Good morning, children. Standard 4, Subject English, Lesson 1, same or different. I have already told you about the friendship between a baby sparrow and a baby snake. Now, what is friendship? Friendship between two people. It can so happen even in birds and animals. In the lesson, I told you the baby sparrow and the baby snake go to the same school and they are friends. They are very close friends. Whereas the parents, baby sparrows, mama sparrow and baby snake's father, they are asking the children to stay away from each other. But baby sparrow and baby snake study in the same school and they continue their friendship. And they come to a conclusion that no matter whatever happens, though we are different in shape, size, color, appearance and food habit and other things, yet we are friends. So the main highlight of the lesson is baby sparrow because in spite of mama sparrow warning or telling, making him understand, yet he does not want to leave the friendship of baby snake. So today I will show you a simple activity how to make a bird's nest using the simple things that we find at home. Yes, I have not bought anything expensive from the market or anything. All what was available in the house I have used. So in a simple way, you can do it in a very different way, making use of the things available. I have taken a simple paper plate, some twigs, twine, some dry leaves, Fevicol, some color papers. I have taken white here and I have colored it. You can go for color papers. And how to do it, I will tell you. Take any desired color paper or what is available in your home and then give a shape like this. Or cut it into an oval shape and then take some other different color papers and cut a triangle to give a shape of a beak. You can use a sketch pen or a marker to draw eyes, or you can use some black bindis or tikli, or you can use this sort of eyes what we get in the market ready-made. I will show you how to do it. After cutting the colored paper into oval shape, now we are going to stick the beak of the bird. I am using Fevicol here so that it sticks faster. Yes, I have taken a small triangle piece and I am sticking a beak here, beak of the bird. Next, I will use those two artificial eyes what we get in the market to show the eye of the bird. Right? I'm using the ready-made what we get in your craft book easily, or you can use the sketch pen or the marker to draw the bird's eyes. Yes, I have used a simple colored paper, craft paper. I gave a shape of an egg or oval shape and I cut it. I used a small different color paper to make a beak and I used this artificial eyes to give. It looks like a tiny bird. Now take this paper plate and fold it into half. Then you can make it stand like this. Then using the grass, what is available easily in the garden, the dry grass or some dry leaves, yes, cotton, twine, you can use some leaves, yes, you can use some leaves or whatever is available in your garden. Then using the Fevicol, you can stick a small layer of cotton. Then you can use uh, twines. You can use the dry leaves as well as the dry grass to give it a look of a nest. Like birds usually use dry leaves, dry grass, cotton, twigs, twines to make their nest. Okay. Now I have made a simple one with simple material, whatever was available. I have made 3 little tiny birds, right? And then what you can do from the back side, you can paste it or you can staple it according to how you like. Yes, I have already made, to save time, I have already made. It's a very simple activity. You can do it according to your creativity. You can do it according to your creativity. You can use the Fevicol or the glue or you can use a stapler. Yes, and then you can attach this to the nest, artificial nest what you have made. Yes, you can take your own time. You can use your own material what is available in the house and then you can give a different shape to it and then you can either hang it or you can put it somewhere, keep it on the table or somewhere. Use what is available in the house. It is a simple baby bird's nest. These are small babies. They are just hatched from the eggs and the mother bird has gone out to get food for them, and these are the baby birds popping out from the nest waiting for mama bird to come and feed them. So this is a small activity I have taught you based on the lesson bird, that is baby sparrow and a baby snake. Yes, a simple one. And when I come back to the lesson, a small recapitulation. The story gives us a message, that is, true friends never end. True friends remain till the end. True friends help each other. True friends care for each other. If you make friendship with someone, you should try to help that person. A friend in need is a friend indeed. If you really care for the person, yes, then you should stand by the person in good times and bad times. So this is a tiny, artificial, instant, with simple materials, a small handmade baby bird's nest, and you can see tiny, tiny birds, very simple, with very few materials used. You can make one like this and keep it in your house or you can hang it. Use what is available in your house. So I have used simple paper plate, color papers and leaves, leaves, dry twigs and grass. So this is all about a baby snake and a baby sparrow. Yes, this is a small activity I have taught you. You can make a different one, a creative one, and keep it in your house. So we will see in the next class. We will come up with some other new idea. Till then, take care, be safe, and don't go out. Okay? Take care, children. Bye.